मैं अपने नताइज के बारे में सारी रात रोता रहा।
I cried all night about my results. I cried all night about my results.
उसे अपने दोस्तों से मिलने के लिए भागना पड़ा।
He had to run to catch up with his friends. He had to run to catch up with his friends.
वो अपनी जान से अपने बच्चों की हिफाजत करेगी।
She will protect her kids with her life. She will protect her kids with her life.
दीवार के साथ खाके थे।
There were drawings along the wall. There were drawings along the wall.
मुझे गेट पर हरकत का पता चला।
I detected movement at the gate. I detected movement at the gate.
वो इसकी चोट पर घबरा गई।
She panicked at his injury. She panicked at his injury.
मैंने अपने अलार्म को मुतहर्रिक करके ब्रेक उनको रोका।
I prevented a break-in by triggering my alarm. I prevented a break-in by triggering my alarm.
खौफ से इसके दांत पीस रहे थे।
Her teeth were clenched with fear. Her teeth were clenched with fear.
शायद मैं पहेली को हल कर सकूं।
I might be able to solve the puzzle. I might be able to solve the puzzle.
मेरी बेटी सारा दिन भीड़ भरी नजर आती थी।
My daughter looked sheepish all day. My daughter looked sheepish all day.
माजी के बारे में सोचना छोड़ दें।
Stop thinking about the past. Stop thinking about the past.
नया बच्चा मश्क के दौरान तवक्को से ज्यादा देर तक भागा।
The new kid ran longer than expected during practice. The new kid ran longer than expected during practice.
जब वो चला गया तो वो सब मुतमईन थे।
They were all satisfied when he left. They were all satisfied when he left.
इसने कोई गलत काम नहीं किया।
He did not do anything wrong. He did not do anything wrong.
मैंने अपना बैग अपने साथ वाले बेंच पर फेंक दिया।
I dumped my bag onto the bench beside me. I dumped my bag onto the bench beside me.
मैंने एक पोल्ट्री फार्म का दौरा किया।
I visited a poultry farm. I visited a poultry farm.
जख्मी परिंदा छत पर गिर गया।
The injured bird collapsed on the roof. The injured bird collapsed on the roof.
मैंने कभी शतरंज का खेल नहीं हारा।
I have never lost a game of chess. I have never lost a game of chess.
मैं अपने बाल काटना चाहता हूँ।
I want to cut my hair. I want to cut my hair.
मैं नाम लेना शुरू नहीं करना चाहता।
I don't want to start calling names. I don't want to start calling names.
एक अजीब नजर इसके नैन नक्श को नुमायां करती है।
A peculiar look graced her features. A peculiar look graced her features.
मैं अपने ऐनक के लिए इधर इधर देखता रहा।
I continued to look around for my glasses. I continued to look around for my glasses.
मेरे खानदान ने अपना मामूल का काम दोबारा शुरू कर दिया।
My family resumed their usual routine. My family resumed their usual routine.
मैं फ्रांसीसी क्लासों में शिरकत शुरू करने जा रहा हूँ।
I am going to start attending French classes. I am going to start attending French classes.
इसने मौजू पर बात करने की कोशिश की लेकिन इसे बंद कर दिया गया।
He tried to broach the subject but was shut down. He tried to broach the subject but was shut down.
मुझे खेल देखना पसंद है।
I love watching sports. I love watching sports.
उसने अपने लंबे बालों में कंघी की।
She combed her long hair. She combed her long hair.
मुझे आज रात बर्तन धोने हैं।
I have to do the dishes tonight. I have to do the dishes tonight.
मैं इसके कहे हुए एक लफ्ज पर यकीन नहीं करता।
I don't believe a word she says. I don't believe a word she says.
मुझे बाद में वापस आने को कहा गया।
I was asked to come back later. I was asked to come back later.
इन्होंने इस्तीफे का खत जमा करा दिया।
He submitted his letter of resignation. He submitted his letter of resignation.
इसने सोडा का एक डब्बा खत्म किया।
He finished a can of soda. He finished a can of soda.
मैं क्लासों में शिरकत करने में ज्यादा मुस्तकिल रहूंगा।
I will be more consistent in attending classes. I will be more consistent in attending classes.
मुल्क बुहरानों का शिकार था।
The country was in crises. The country was in crises.
इसने तजस्सुस से कान को दरवाजे से लगा लिया।
She pressed her ear against the door in curiosity. She pressed her ear against the door in curiosity.
मैंने खिड़की के किनारे प्लेटों को एहतियात से सजा दिया।
I carefully stacked the plates by the window side. I carefully stacked the plates by the window side.
वो आसानी से डर गई थी।
She was easily frightened. She was easily frightened.
मैं तेज आवाज से डर गया।
I got scared by the loud noise. I got scared by the loud noise.
घर तेजी से आग की लपेट में आ गया।
The house was quickly engulfed in flames. The house was quickly engulfed in flames.
वो जाए वक़वा की तरफ भागे।
They raced over to the scene. They raced over to the scene.
टेडी दिल के हमले की वजह से मुझे अपना मौजूदा अपार्टमेंट खाली करना पड़ा।
I had to vacate my current apartment due to an infestation. I had to vacate my current apartment due to an infestation.
इसने आग से बचने के लिए खिड़की से नीचे छलांग लगा दी।
He jumped down the window to escape the fire. He jumped down the window to escape the fire.
बिल्ली को ट्रिम की जरूरत है।
The cat needs a trim. The cat needs a trim.
उसने उनकी वार्निंग को नजरअंदाज किया और आगे बढ़ गया।
He ignored their warnings and went ahead. He ignored their warnings and went ahead.
मेरा कुत्ता बार बार दाग को चाटता रहा।
My dog repeatedly licked at the stain. My dog repeatedly licked at the stain.
हुआ ने किश्ती को एक तरफ उड़ा दिया।
The wind blew the boat sideways. The wind blew the boat sideways.
इसकी टार्चा तारीकी में एक चिराग की तरह थी।
Her torch was like a beacon in the dark light. Her torch was like a beacon in the dark light.
मैंने समर कैंप में तैराकी सीखी।
I learned how to swim at summer camp. I learned how to swim at summer camp.
उसने अपने बेटे को सलाने के लिए हल्के हल्के हिलाया।
He rocked his son to sleep. He rocked his son to sleep.
आपकी दवाई पर ज्यादा मिकदार लेना खतरनाक है।
It is risky to overdose on your medication. It is risky to overdose on your medication.
मैं नाले की तरफ भागा।
I ran to the creek. I ran to the creek.
वो सबसे पहले वनट स्क्रीन से गुजरी।
She went head first through the windscreen. She went head first through the windscreen.
ये वाकया से पहले की बात है।
That was before the incident. That was before the incident.
पर्दे को धोना पड़ता है।
The curtain has to be washed. The curtain has to be washed.
मुंतखब होने की तरफ जो तारीफ की गई थी वो हकीकी थी।
The appreciation showcased towards being selected was real. The appreciation showcased towards being selected was real.
इसके घर वाले इसके रवैये से खौफजदा थे।
His family was frightened by his behavior. His family was frightened by his behavior.
उसने बेचैनी के बावजूद अपना काम पेश किया।
She presented her work despite the anxiety. She presented her work despite the anxiety.
वो 20 से 30 के करीब माल ले चुका था।
He had taken about 20 to 30 pieces of material. He had taken about 20 to 30 pieces of material.
वो सैर के लिए गए और दोस्त बन गए।
They went for a walk and became friends. They went for a walk and became friends.
वो उनके सामने घूमकर मुस्कुराया।
He twisted around to face them and smiled. He twisted around to face them and smiled.
मुझे पीठ में दर्द महसूस हुआ।
I felt sick to the stomach. I felt sick to the stomach.
मैं रात भर कहाकहू की आवाजें सुनता रहा।
I kept hearing shouts of laughter all through the night. I kept hearing shouts of laughter all through the night.
वो एक पूरा कारोबारी मंसूबा अमल में लाया।
He executed a whole business plan. He executed a whole business plan.
आपको अपनी कामयाबियों पर फख्र होना चाहिए।
You should be proud of your achievements. You should be proud of your achievements.
मैंने अपने वालिदैन के लिए एक हवेली बनाई।
I built a mansion for my parents. I built a mansion for my parents.
खौफ से उसका पीठ सख्त हो गया।
His stomach tightened with fear. His stomach tightened with fear.
लड़कियों ने हाथ पकड़कर सड़क पार की।
The girls held hands to cross the road. The girls held hands to cross the road.
मेरे शौहर अपने तोहफे पर खुशी से हंस पड़े।
My husband laughed with delight at his gift. My husband laughed with delight at his gift.
बरामदे में लेटना बंद करो।
Stop lingering on the porch. Stop lingering on the porch.
पेंटिंग रेशम में लपेटी हुई पहुंची।
The painting arrived clad in silk. The painting arrived clad in silk.
मेरा दोस्त छुट्टियों में आया।
My friend came over during the holidays. My friend came over during the holidays.
मैंने अपने पुराने अकाउंट को अपने नए अकाउंट से जोड़ दिया।
I linked my old account to my new one. I linked my old account to my new one.
उसने 1 घंटा से ज्यादा कपड़े पहनने में गुजारे।
He spent over an hour dressing up. He spent over an hour dressing up.
मैंने इसे बचाने की एक वाज़ेह कोशिश की।
I made a visible attempt to save him. I made a visible attempt to save him.
गाड़ी बाईं तरफ खड़ी थी।
The car was parked to the left. The car was parked to the left.
वो आवाज सुनकर चौंक गई।
She got startled by the sound. She got startled by the sound.
मुझे जाना है।
I had to get going. I had to get going.
वो घबरा गया कि टांके लगने से तकलीफ हो सकती है।
He panicked that getting stitches might hurt. He panicked that getting stitches might hurt.
इससे पहले कि कोई बोलता वो बाहर निकल गया।
She walked out before anyone could talk. She walked out before anyone could talk.
मैं शायद पूरी मीटिंग में खामोश रहूंगा।
I would likely remain quiet throughout the meeting. I would likely remain quiet throughout the meeting.
वो सब एक झपकी के लिए अंदर चले गए।
They all went inside for a nap. They all went inside for a nap.
मैंने इसे दूसरा मौका देने का फैसला किया।
I decided to give him a second chance. I decided to give him a second chance.
उसने अपने ख्वाबों को तर्क नहीं किया था।
She had not given up on her dreams. She had not given up on her dreams.
इसने दोनों मशरूबात का मुवाजना करने की कोशिश की।
He sought to compare the two drinks. He sought to compare the two drinks.
मैंने अपनी माँ से वादा किया था कि मैं आज जल्दी घर आऊंगा।
I promised my mom I would be home early today. I promised my mom I would be home early today.
इसे अपना तजुर्बा उनके साथ बांटने की जरूरत थी।
She needed to share her experience with them. She needed to share her experience with them.
मुझे इसे कंपनी की तरक्की के बारे में आगाह करना है।
I have to alert her about the company's progress. I have to alert her about the company's progress.
वो पहले से ज्यादा थका हुआ घर आया।
He came home more tired than ever. He came home more tired than ever.
जब वो घर वापस आया तो वो झुक रहा था।
He was frowning when he returned home. He was frowning when he returned home.
मैं क्लास के सामने बैठ गया।
I sat in the front of the class. I sat in the front of the class.